Good morning, we're back. Another episode of E85 STI Garage. And I wanted to show you guys something. This is some documentation for my Subaru Baja owners out there. This is the kit you need to buy on eBay. It's got a lifetime warranty, and we're going to use it to make hood lift struts. And I tell you, this is the easiest thing you could ever do. There's no doubt about it. The other thing that you're going to need, which I'll show you, is, I believe this is it. Let me double check. You need an 8mm by 1.25 tap, which is what we have right here. 8mm by 1.25 tap. Okay. Now, the parts that come with the kit are a little bracket like this, and a ball stud like this, and a gas strut. So 3 very basic, simple parts. And I'm going to show you how the hood lift opens here on my Baja. Let me pull the hood release. Okay, and you get it to about right here, and it's going to take off on its own. So there it goes. Now this hood lift has, I think they're 60-pound struts. So they have plenty of push to lift the hood up. It's really hard to close the hood. The one thing you have to do if you're going to do this mod is this rubber hose is connected down in this area somewhere, which is for the windshield wiper sprayer thing. I'm gonna switch this hose to here and then this hose to here, and then that'll give this a little bit more length. But you have to disconnect it from that clip there, it'll just rip it out. So the tap is for this area right here. So this is normally where your fender bolt goes, but you have to drill, or you have to tap that out to 8mm by 1.25, and then this little bracket right here ends up going on here. Now what I did is I unbolted here and here, and then you drill a tiny little hole. I think that's 10/32 nut and bolt, stainless steel, and then that whole clip, it's kind of hard to see here because the damn camera won't focus. It just sits in there. This one's for the opposite side, but it just sits in there. Let me go to the other side. Easier to see. See, it just slides behind your hood hinge there, and then one little bolt holds it in there. Now it's very, very important, since these hood struts are the max hood lift. See, it's vertical. The hood goes vertical like that. That the placement of this bracket is crucial, and you'll have to test fit it a couple times. I'll give you a little bit of a video here to kind of see. You're basically right up against the OEM hinge with the strut. So kind of see how it sits, and when you close the hood, this gas strut goes all the way into this cartridge here. So it's crucial that you get this correct. If you go up too far, you'll never get the hood closed. If you go down too far, you won't be able to get this to open, and it'll snap the end of you'll snap the end of this off, because it'll rub against this the hood hinge, the OEM hood hinge, too much. But I wanted to make sure I got documentation of this for my Subaru Baja, my fellow Subaru Baja owners out there, because this is an easy mod, and it's $35 plus the cost of a tap and a couple of 10-30 second stainless steel nuts and bolts. So anyhow, let me show the eBay link again so you can get some keywords. If you type those keywords in, that same link will come up. You can actually buy 2 kits and then keep the gas strut cartridges as spares and the other hinges and parts as spares in case you screw up on your install. But for 35 bucks plus the cost of a tap, that's a pretty good deal right there. It's probably the best thing you're gonna find. Anyhow, thought I'd document that for you guys, and I'll catch you next time on the E85 STI Garage.